Hi everyone. Cheers, my loves. Happy 2024. A long time no see. Hi, if you're wondering who I am. I'm Neo. I used to make videos here on YouTube all the time. I actually still kind of do because I post a lot of shorts, a little bit. And I had some stuff I wanted to share. Probably with some new followers, or if you've been here before. Oh my God. Thanks so much for coming back. You're the real MVP. And yeah, so who am I? I'm Neo. I'm an OG YouTuber in that I've been in these YouTube streets for years. Kind of took a break all of 2023. Haven't really posted that much for a while. But I've kind of been feeling the itch to get back in the game. So, hey, here we go. If we get views, fabulous. If we don't get views, fabulous. Either way, I've been having a little drinky. I'm having fun. I've got some stuff I wanted to share. Well, I got one thing I wanted to share. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So I did have another video up not that long ago where I was doing the unboxing of, I think it was this one. Because yes, this is my latest edition of the Hermes Clic H bracelets. I love them. And I just had so much fun with it and it got some views. So I figured, well, let's share another one. Yeah, I think I've been hit, whacked, all of that by the Hermes Clic addiction. My receipt is in there and now it's not. And yeah, so I'm gonna make it quick. I'm gonna make it easy. The other unboxing, I didn't share my face, and then I thought, why not? I used to share my face all the time. So yes, here we go. And just a little something, nothing super exciting, but you know, it's super exciting for me. I got this in England. I got this in Europe, so I'm not sure if the case is different. Le Bracelet Clic. Ah, that's the official name. I just call it a Clic H. I didn't really know. But it's inappropriate if I'm an addict not to know the real name. That I understand. So here we go. Oh, that's right. It's gold. I'd forgotten that. Huh, hold on a second, because I don't remember what this color is called. All right, picked up the receipt. Does not say the color. It doesn't say the color. I think it's marron glace or something like that. I honestly don't know. What does it say? Yeah, it is. It says so on the inside. Ha, duh. Marron glace. As you can see, it still has the plastic on it. I've not even worn it yet. Oh, okay. Can't really wear it with the others. Do people do that? Do they match, do the different metals? I don't know. I haven't done that. Yep, that is. The addiction is real, and I am looking for a couple more colors, so I'll definitely be adding to that one. So that's it. Just wanted to share my new Hermes bracelet, Clic H. Quick, small, tiny little unboxing. Anyway, as I always used to say, choose happiness. That's what I did last year. That's where I've been. I've been choosing happiness, trying my best to live my best life, doing new adventures, going to new places, and yeah, do it. So just remember, choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make. Every minute, every second of your life, you get to choose. I find that very empowering. I hope you do too. Thanks, guys. Bye.